Before you start using the device, charge MACH V1. Plug in the charging base. Install the removable cover on the charging base. Take out MACH V1 and make sure it is upright.
Charging.
If not, please push the handlebar forward until you hear a click. Insert the device vertically into the charging port of the base. Its charging status will be displayed on screen. Before using it for the first time, we recommend fully charging MACH V1. Put your finger against the groove on top of the water tank and pull outward to remove the tank. A small amount of residual water or water vapor in the water tank is normal. Open the rubber cover and fill with tap water. Make sure the rubber cover is pressed in place. Ensure the water level does not exceed the maximum water line. After filling with water, tilt the water tank slightly and align it with the holes to install it onto the vacuum cleaner. You will hear a click when the water tank is locked in place. Now remove the floor cleaner tank with the MACH official standard floor cleaner. Tilt the floor cleaner tank slightly and add in floor cleaner provided with the device. Important point: when reinstalling the floor cleaner tank, press the bottom of the tank against the device so that it is easier to push in. You will hear a click when it is locked in place. Now let's start using MACH V1. First, remove the device from the base. Press the power button to begin Smart Mode to clean the house.
Smart Mode.
At this time, the ozone disinfection in the water tank will begin, and the blue indicator light of the clean water tank lights up. This mode is ideal for daily mopping and washing hard floors. Use the auxiliary wheels to drag it to the area you want to clean. Gently step on the foot pedal and pull the handle backward. After hearing a click, continue to pull back. The arm hangs naturally for a more comfortable grip. Do not lay the vacuum cleaner flat on the ground when cleaning, otherwise wastewater will pour out. Press the power button for 1 second to turn on the vacuum cleaner. The default Smart Cleaning mode will be activated. In Smart Cleaning mode, the vacuum cleaner will activate EcoClean ozone disinfection by default. If you want to turn it off, you can enter the sub-menu to do so.
Start self-cleaning.
Twist the knob on the left side of the handle to turn the floor cleaner switch on or off. Press and hold the trigger button to activate Power Cleaning mode. Check it out, the floor is spotless. Press the power button on the right. Or place MACH V1 in an upright position on the floor, and it will pause cleaning. The different colors of light bar indicate different levels of cleanliness.
Suction mode.
The suction mode is ideal for cleaning dust, hair, or water stains. Press the mode switch button to select suction mode. Suction mode enables quick absorption of water on the ground. The suction mode is equivalent to the function of traditional dry vacuum cleaners. It is ideal for handling dry messes such as dust and hair. The water absorption function is suited to cleaning water stains. Press and hold the trigger to activate the strong mode, which offers stronger suction and cleaning power. When cleaning is complete, place MACH V1 back onto its base.
Start self-cleaning.
Press the Self-Cleaning button to start the self-cleaning process, as well as sterilizing and drying of the roller brush. The device uses an oven-like drying cycle to dry the rolling brush. The brush will be turned over intermittently during drying and some noise will be produced, which is a normal occurrence. When the MACH vacuum cleaner is back on its base,
Stop drying.
press the trigger for 2 seconds to activate the independent rolling brush's self-drying mode. After self-cleaning is completed, press the buckle to remove the wastewater tank. Empty out dry and wet waste in turn. Finally, clean the wastewater tank. If the dry waste separator is not needed, it can be removed. After emptying out waste, simply rinse the wastewater tank and put it back into the vacuum cleaner.